if you're ready to get behind the wheel of a Jeep, and we have a lot of them right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Weslaco, Texas, I've got just the guy, General Manager Mr. Tony Flores. Come on
buddy,
in here.
how you doing? Nice
Good
to see
you,
you, man.
Tell me about what's going on here, brother.
Right, we're all excited. We just started to get these pink Jeeps, right? The Tuscadero Color.
Tuscadero.
Yeah, but these particular 4xes, they got a great promotion that we want to let everybody know. We're so excited. If you don't want to lease this car, you want to buy it, we got 2.9 APR with approved credit for 72 and not only 72 and 84 months also. So you can come in here, get this baby, get the rebates, the 2.9 for 72 or 84 months, and drive this baby home for a very, very affordable price.
That's right, and this is the Jeep 4xe, so this is hybrid. We got a 2-liter gas engine underneath the hood, and also she's electric. You can charge it up on the go anywhere from home. So come on home here to Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Weslaco, Texas. Come see Mr. Tony Flores and crew. We have all sorts of color, shapes, and sizes of Jeep ready for you. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.